Hi there, can you open this door, please?
For what?
Can you open this door, please?
For what?
Whoa, what? I just want to...
What do you mean? I don't know what you want, man. Get out of my house.
Open this fucking door! Where's your daughter, man? Where's your daughter, man?
Talking
Where's your daughter? Who's in there with you?
Bro, if you lead.
Is everyone in this house okay?
What? Everyone's okay. What do you want?
You open the door, please. You know what my name is?
That's for sure.
This is my neighborhood, though.
Yeah, I live there. I don't know you. You are not.
My name is Harry Dresden, motherfucker. Open the... This is my neighborhood. No. Or I will fucking